Hello everyone, welcome to the NEM-TRADE. Today we talk about the arbitrage trading. First of all, you should talk about the market. In the market, we currently see the Bitcoin falling to 86 to 92 dollars, which can $92,000, which can see pump, and we also see the dominance of Bitcoin will rise to 56, 58. It can reject, then it will be very beneficial for altcoin. We can see altcoin bleeding as well. We have done previous videos on that, so you can watch those and buy some altcoins for as well. And then we come to the arbitrage trading. In this, you have to buy from a high volume area to sell in a high volume area, but always focus the different prices and always keep largest difference you can keep. So in this, you can see over here the prices of HTX and Binance and Bybit differentiates $300-400 you can make on every trade. So focus on these things, it will help you a lot. And see you all around, so don't miss our videos. So join our Telegram group and our WhatsApp channels so for more updates about the market and free trade signals as well. And have a good day. See you all around, and the next video will be on chart patterns. Have a good day. See you around. Bye bye.